Have you ever wondered how people take great professional-looking photos of the items they're selling online? Stick around. We're going to show you how to build a lightbox for photography using an IKEA shelf insert. Welcome to our brand new channel, dedicated to giving you great advice. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel so you can continue to get great new videos. So to get started on building the light box, first, you're going to need an IKEA shelf insert, flat glass piece from a picture frame, a sturdy light source, a light bulb with a daylight color temperature. You can always use a cardboard box instead of the IKEA. It would in fact be the cheaper way to go, since you can get a moving box for less than $3. But you're going to have to cut out large square holes, and you're also going to need a diffusing fabric of some kind. We chose the IKEA Cube shelf insert because it has a white finish in the inside and we had one laying around. It's also sturdy. Later on, if we feel we need the shelf insert in the shelf, we can always disassemble it and put it to its original use. The second item you're going to need is a flat piece of glass the size of your box. This is to produce that professional floating look. The reflection of the object can be seen from underneath the object, which creates a sleek professional quality photo. In order to get that floating look, you're going to need that glass. We got ours off an old picture frame, and it works great. Third item you need is 1 or 2 light source. Get a lamp with a bright bulb. You want a bulb that does not give off an orange yellowish soft warm color. You can play around with different bulbs, but we found that the 75 watt 5000 K color temperature bulb worked best. Anything that's soft white or warm made the photos that look orange, which isn't what we wanted. We also got a kitchen cabinet LED light. One word of caution with those $10 LED kitchen lights. It seems to be a hit or a miss because it can give off dark spots. These LED lights are the ones that are designed to be installed under the cabinet. They sometimes give off a dark spots as it has uneven lighting. It seems to be just how LEDs are designed. The LED itself produces unevenness. This is why you might also want to use a diffusing fabric material on top of the box, and put this LED above it so that it helps spread the light evenly. We have a main LED light source installed as the main light source, so that there's something all set up and ready to go. The other lamp is there as the second light source. It gives us the ability to adjust the lighting as needed. You'll just have to experiment with the light source you have and see how it works out. Fourth thing you are going to need. Find some household items such as a scissor and some tape. If you have a staple gun, it would be perfect. Once you have all your materials, it's pretty simple to build it. The hardest part, if there was such a thing, was to staple it all together. Check out our first attempt at building a light box. I have to admit, this looks horrible. It's built out of paper. We used a cloth hanger to give it some structure. It can barely hold itself together and it's really flimsy. This is why we built something better. How does this one look? It's sturdy. It is based on IKEA parts. We can always disassemble it later. Here's how we built it. Now the stapling to hold things in place. You want to get as close to the center of the baseboard as possible. Don't staple it too far to the edge because you'll get staples sticking out. Place the glass plate on the bottom and you're almost done. Place the diffusing fabric on top, and this would give you diffused lighting where you're avoiding a direct light shining on the object inside. We experimented with a thin shower curtain and a thin sheet of paper. For our purposes, a sheet of paper on top was what we needed because we just wanted to filter out the light coming from the ceiling. Then you add in the lights. We used an LED light in the inside, because it already has a diffuse cover. The white paint did a sufficiently good job reflecting the light inside to shine things evenly. You will need to make some adjustments and play around with a few different positions, camera settings, and the amount of lighting, in order to get the best shot. We found that using enough light on the object inside helped. Sufficient light is important. In general, a 75-watt bulb was sufficient. Here are some examples of the photos we took. Not bad, right? Notice the glow at the bottom of the jewelry. That's the floating effect created by the glass plate. So there you have it, a homemade light box, always ready for you when you want to take professional quality photos. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please smash the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates when we find the next great opportunities for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.